What if you could walk into a coffee shop, offer the owner a holiday marketing package, and deliver 10 custom branded graphics in the next 48 hours? No designer, no back and forth revisions, just you, Google Gemini, and a handful of prompts that most people have no idea exist. This is Nano Banana Pro, and I am about to show you how to turn it into a service that local businesses actually need. My name is Paul James. I have been finding ways to do more with less since I was running a business out of my brother's garage with zero budget and even less time. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to a free training that shows you how to turn AI tools like this into services you can offer. And no, I will not try and sell you Go High Level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good. Here is the problem most small business owners face right now. They know they need better visuals. They see their competitors posting professional looking graphics. They understand that boring stock photos kill engagement. But when they reach out to a designer, they get quoted $800 to $1,500 for a basic branding package. And if they want seasonal content for Christmas, Valentine's Day, and summer promos, that quote doubles. So they either drain their budget on one campaign or they settle for Canva templates that look like everyone else's content. This is where you come in. Not as a designer, not as someone who spent 4 years learning Photoshop. As someone who understands what Google's Nano Banana Pro can do and how to package it into services that local businesses actually need. What I am about to walk you through is something I call the Client Ready Asset Library. It is 5 categories of visual content that you can generate in minutes, but position as premium deliverables. Let me break down how this works. Nano Banana Pro lives inside Google Gemini's image creation tool. You do not need a separate subscription. You do not need to learn complicated software. You just describe what you want in plain English with enough detail for the AI to understand the style, the mood, and the branding elements. What comes back are images that look professionally produced. Here is where things get wild. The first category is product visualization. Let me paint you a picture. You are talking to someone who runs a small Etsy shop. They want to expand into custom keychains, but they cannot afford to order samples before they know what sells. You take a photo of their mascot or logo character, you upload it into Gemini. You write a prompt that describes a hyper-realistic studio shot of a miniature keychain charm being held in someone's hand with perfect lighting and shallow depth of field. You tell it to include their brand name on the strap. 15 seconds later, you have a mock-up that looks like a professional product photographer spent half a day on it. Now here is the move most people miss. You do not stop at 1. You generate that same keychain in 5 different color variations. You generate it on a coffee table. You generate it hanging from a backpack. You just created an entire product line visualization without owning any inventory. The Etsy seller sees those images and suddenly they are confident enough to place a manufacturing order. You delivered the mock-up set in under an hour. Most people never realize this part. You can apply this same workflow to any physical product. Coffee mugs, tote bags, phone cases, enamel pins, stickers. Every single one becomes a service you can offer. The business owner does not care that you used AI. They care that you solved their visualization problem faster and cheaper than anyone else could. Stay with me because this next piece is huge. The second category is 3-dimensional social media graphics. Standard social posts are flat. They blend into the feed. But Nano Banana Pro can create images where elements look like they are popping out of the screen. Imagine a post where someone's face is emerging from a glowing Instagram frame with neon accents and depth. It stops the scroll instantly because it does not look like a template. Here is the business angle. You approach a real estate agent, a fitness coach, or a local restaurant owner. You offer them a social media graphics package, 10 custom posts per month. Each one features their face or their product in a 3-dimensional style that feels premium. Each graphic takes you about 8 minutes to generate. You are delivering visual content that would normally require a motion graphics designer and a 2-week timeline. The third category is seasonal campaign content. Every business needs holiday marketing. Christmas, Valentine's Day, 4th of July, back to school season. But most of them recycle the same generic stock images year after year. You show up with something better. You take their logo or mascot, you generate a Christmas snow globe scene with falling snow and warm lighting. You generate a Valentine's themed visual with hearts and romantic tones. You generate a summer travel vibe with bright colors and vacation energy. Here is something the average freelancer completely misses. You can pre-package this. You reach out to local businesses in October. You offer them a holiday marketing bundle. 5 custom branded graphics ready for November and December campaigns. You are not selling hours. You are selling outcomes and speed. And listen, if you have not already dropped a like and commented below, do that now. I will reply with a link to that free training on how to turn tools like this into services you can offer. The fourth category is location-based marketing. This one works especially well for tourism businesses, local tour guides, and city-focused brands. Nano Banana Pro can turn any city or landmark into a stylized visual that feels like a vintage travel poster or a miniature world. You generate a folded travel brochure-style image. You generate a 3-dimensional mini-planet version of their city. You generate an isometric cartoon view of a local stadium or landmark. Let me give you a real example of how this plays out. You are working with someone who runs walking tours in Austin. They need visuals for their website and social media that make Austin look unique and appealing. You generate 5 different styles: a vintage travel poster, a miniature planet, a clay-style landmark scene, an isometric downtown view, a floating city island. You deliver the full set in about 90 minutes. They use those images for the next 2 years across every platform. The fifth category is branded miniature worlds. This is where you take a company's identity and turn it into a tiny animated-looking universe. Nano Banana Pro can create scenes where a brand's logo or mascot exists in a detailed 3-dimensional environment with props, lighting, and storytelling elements. It feels expensive, it feels custom, and it is the kind of visual that makes people remember a brand. Here is the angle most tutorials never touch. You do not need to be a creative genius to use this effectively. You just need to understand what problems local businesses are trying to solve. They want to look more professional than their competitors. They want seasonal content without hiring a full agency. They want product mock-ups before they commit to manufacturing. They want social media graphics that do not look like Canva templates. You are offering all of that with 1 tool and 5 prompt structures. I remember feeling overwhelmed by tools like this when I first got started. There were so many possibilities that I did not know where to focus. But once I realized that businesses do not buy tools, they buy solutions, everything clicked. You are not selling Nano Banana Pro. You are selling faster time to market. You are selling professional visuals without designer budgets. You are selling confidence that their marketing will not look cheap. Let me walk you through a quick workflow so you can see how fast this actually is. A bakery owner reaches out. She wants graphics for her Instagram to promote a new cupcake line. You ask for her logo and a photo of 1 cupcake. You upload both into Gemini. You generate a 3-dimensional Instagram post where the cupcake looks like it is jumping off the screen with colorful icing and sparkles. You generate a second version with a holiday theme. You generate a third version with a minimalist, clean background. 3 variations in about 20 minutes. She posts them over the next month and her engagement improves. Now here is the twist almost nobody talks about. Once you build a library of 5 to 10 prompt templates that work, you can templatize your entire service. You are not starting from scratch with every client. You are swapping names, adjusting colors, and changing background elements. What used to take graphic designers 4 hours now takes you 12 minutes. That is leverage. That is how you turn one skill into a repeatable service. Picture what your workflow looks like after you package this correctly. You are not chasing one-off gigs on Fiverr. You can structure this as monthly retainers where you deliver visuals in one batch at the start of each month. The rest of the time, you are finding new clients or building other skills. You have a repeatable system without starting over each time. If you drop a like, share this with someone who needs it, and comment below, I will reply with a link to that free training that shows you how to turn AI tools into services you can offer. And again, I will not try and sell you go high level because there are free tools out there now that do the same thing just as good.